Hello. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the signature widget in our docs builder. This is the signature widget. I can drag it on the document here, and after I have dragged it, I can assign it to recipient by just selecting it and going to this drop down. This will search from the recipients and I can assign it to a recipient. I can add multiple signatures anywhere on the document. Let me show you how to do that. I can drop another signature. I can assign it to Pamela again. So as you can see, since these two signatures belong to the same recipient, their color is same. Now let's add another signature for a different recipient. Let me quickly drag a text widget here and then add a signature. So I can click on the signature widget and select recipient from here. As you can see, this signature is shown in different color, and you can see the email or recipient shown when you hover on the signature. So this is how you add recipients in Agiled, and once a signature is assigned to a recipient, other recipients cannot sign it. So this signature is dedicatedly for that recipient. Now let's say you want to self-sign a signature. You can easily do that as well. All you have to do is drop a signature widget on the document, double click it, type or draw the signature, and click on accept and sign. Your signature will be added to the document. So this is how you use signature widget in Agiled. Thanks.